this, these, that, those. What's the difference? Use this and that for singular. Singular equals one. Use these and those for plural. Plural is more than one. Use that and those when something is far. This and these when something is near. These or those flowers are beautiful. If it is near, use these. Here are some flowers. These flowers are beautiful. These or those people are tired. If it is far, far for plural. Use those. Those people are tired. This or that red car is over here. The word here means near. Is stands for singular. If it is singular that is near, use this. This. This red car is over here. This or that blue car is over there. If it is there, it's far. Is stands for singular. Singular far means that. That blue car is over there. Those or that students are smart. Are stands for plural. Students are is plural. Those is plural. Those students are smart. This or these report is ready. Report is singular. These is plural. This is singular. We need singular. This report is ready. That or these story is interesting. Story is, that's singular. These is plural. That is singular. Say, that story is interesting. The last one is for you. Is it this or these video is useful? Tell me in the comments. Thank you.